Hi, my name is Iva Bowers. I'm Colorado State Mother of the Year, AMI Incorporated, American Mother Incorporated.
And that's for the year 2008.
It's for the year of 2008, yes.
Iva, how did this transpire? How did this happen?
Well, my dear friend Elaine Bowers, she's known me for over 20 years and the things I've done in the community. So one day she came over to visit me and she saw me have a whole bunch of baby stuff I was doing, getting ready to, because I mentor young mothers and give them baby clothing and, you know, just everything baby. So she said, you know what, Iva, I'm going to nominate you for the Mother of the Year. And I said, oh, okay. And I had to get a package put together and she sent it in, and with the Lord's blessing, I won. And this is a blessing and it's an honor to be the Colorado State Mother of the Year.
Do you know how many women you were competing against for Colorado 2008?
No, I don't know how many people, because they look at our portfolio. They check out our portfolio, and how it goes is also a lot of volunteerism. You should do a lot of volunteer work in the community that you live in, and even abroad, community abroad. And I guess that's part of the way they choose the mother.
And you were recognized by the Colorado legislature?
Yes. After I've been the State Mother of the Year 2008, when I went to Lincoln, Nebraska on the 23rd of April to compete for national, I didn't get it, but it was okay because I have a lot of work here in my state to do. That next day, I was recognized by the legislature. I was recognized in the House and in the Senate as the Mother of the Year.
That's wonderful.
And also have a certificate that state Colorado State Mother.
Well, tell me about some of your volunteerism. Go back as far as you can to when you began to volunteer in the community.
Oh, I began to volunteer in the community. My husband and I, we came from Germany with our children. My husband was in the service. He's retired military right now. And when we got here in Colorado Springs in 1986, I saw that there wasn't much for the children to do. There was just so much negative in the news. And when we moved to this neighborhood, we're in District 11, when my son, 5th grade teacher, when I went to her classroom, I noticed that, you know, I could do something there because Princess, her name is Princess, we talked about it and she said sure. So I volunteered in my son's 5th grade classroom, teaching the kids dancing, modeling, just anything that I could do, I did in the school. And that's where it all started, and we started just doing that, and then I went and I worked for the city and I volunteered for the city also, and by doing that I started the dance group, the Hillside Multicultural Dancers, where we perform all over this whole state. We've been so many places, and through there I taught the parents how to sew, I taught the children how the different multicultural dances, and I had fun doing that. And not only that, I volunteered also, and at the time I was still helping young mothers when they got pregnant. I was doing bassinets and baskets.